I got a Hyper Tough 1 gallon wet dry vac from Walmart, and my filter bag was filthy, but when I put a hose on it, and then when I got it out, I saw that it was riddled with holes and it was just coming all apart, and I didn't want to buy another filter bag because they're not too cheap, and I thought, what else could I do? And I got these knee-high pantyhose from the dollar store. You get 3. They're very flexible and very breathable. You just stretch it on over the port there, and you can work it around, and then you put on your retaining ring, and you're in business. Very cheap, and I don't expect this to have any problems. There's a cheap little tip for you. Thanks for watching.